Oh, easy one. Damn it.
What? Why is it easy?
Paulina, you should have erased yours.
What? You know what?
ATP.
I said ATP too.
Really? Yes. ATP is a term you learn in biology, so if you haven't taken biology.
Adenosine triphosphate.
Yes. Shout out to Michael Keller for ATP is all of us. Alma, Tati, Paulina.
Is it recording?
Yeah, I'm testing out. Ugh, I'm too tall.
No, I'm just short.
Why is that? Why are you still holding that up? Wait, what does it say? What does it say?
It's a surprise.
I'm gonna see it later. The most likely to contract.
When we say we don't partake in stuff like that, we're probably lying. No, I'm just kidding.
No, yeah. Well, I'm a virgin.
I am too. So am I.
Yeah, we all are.
Okay. Why would we admit that?
Hey guys, it's Alma.
I'm Tati. Paulina.
And these are my sweet mates. Probably recognize them from the vlogs. Today we're doing most likely to. So I googled some questions, and we're gonna get started. We're gonna write our the name of the person who's most likely to on iPad. So the first question is most likely to accidentally kill someone.
Can you see?
You know, I was gonna put Tati first, but then I
see?
changed it to Alma.
Huh?
We all put different people.
Go ahead, Tati. Explain why you put Paulina.
Wait. What?
Okay, go ahead.
Let me see. Because accidentally. I don't know. I mean, I feel like she'd accidentally. I don't know.
I don't know why I think
I really don't know.
I feel like you would accidentally kill someone.
Why though?
I don't know. I just feel like you accidentally.
How though?
I don't know. It's just something you would do.
I put Alma because Alma's really nice, but if you mess with her, she can become very crazy and just like her anger.
Then that would be an accident.
It would be an accident because she would mean to like release all that anger.
Why'd you have to start with that one?
It was the first one, literally.
Oh,
Most likely to be a wanted fugitive. I clearly
A
can't say
wanted fugitive.
fugitive. Oh, what does that say? Cancel.
Ooh, can you see mine? Is it still too bright?
Said me because I'm crazy.
Alright, most likely to be involved in a felony.
A felony?
Mm-hmm.
I tried to leave the app so I can, but I can't.
Did it erase?
Yeah. It said, what's the question again?
Most likely to be involved in a felony.
Sorry guys, when you're using old iPads, they don't like to update to the newest thing, newest update, and they're very slow. After like a couple of years, they start to be real slow.
I wrote Tati.
Oh, what? Me?
You wrote Paulina.
I wrote Alma.
What?
Just because she's gonna be a lawyer and
Why would I be a felon?
No, I said you will be involved in a felony because you're so nice. So maybe someone asked you to do something and like you don't know what they're doing, and you're an accomplice to what they're doing, but you're still involved in the felony. So
I don't know if
that's why.
That doesn't matter. I wrote Alma.
That's an awful.
No, it's just because you're so nice. So they're like they might take advantage
Yeah,
of you.
like can you drive the car? You're probably the one who drive the getaway car.
So
that makes sense.
I am
or like
gullible.
or they might give you a bag and say like something's in here, but like
Don't feel
without
bad,
checking.
you know. It's just,
Why'd you put me?
I put Alma because
I'd make sure I
yet
get
again,
a
Alma's
good
crazy,
lawyer.
and even though she would be a lawyer, I feel like if something were to push her to her breaking point,
She'd be
that,
like Annalise from
How to Get Away with
Yeah.
Murder. Definitely.
What about you? Why'd you put Paulina?
Cause
Oh yeah, why did you put me? It's because based on the previous question.
no, I feel like she'd be partaking in some felony related activity sometimes.
Wait.
Most likely to become a drug addict. What? She put me.
I put Paulina.
Exactly.
I knew you guys would put
Why
me.
would you put me?
Because I think after me it would be you, and I didn't want to put myself.
What? That doesn't make no
It
sense.
makes logical sense.
We don't do drugs over here.
We don't.
Yeah,
we don't.
no, we don't.
But why'd you put me?
Because I don't know, it just seems like something you would do. Like, I don't know.
What drug would I become addicted to? Is the question.
Ibuprofen. Most likely to blow all their money on impulse buy. You said me?
Yeah.
You said me. You said me.
Yeah.
Yeah. Most likely to cheat on a test.
Who'd you say?
You put you?
Yeah.
For Tati.
Wait, why you guys put that?
I don't know. You said I would pay someone
You
to take
would.
my
Oh,
bio.
I would.
Yeah.
I mean,
Yeah.
you just would.
But I don't cheat. Just
Yeah.
so y'all know, I don't cheat.
Most likely to contract an STD.
What'd you put?
Why is it a question mark?
I knew y'all were gonna put me in it. I knew it.
gullible thing. Like, you know, they might not tell you. So, you know.
That's pretty sad.
It's all jokes. Of course, we'll make sure that doesn't happen.
The next question is most likely to fart in a crowded elevator. I use my phone.
Oh, the notes app?
Yeah. I'm about to use my phone, y'all, because I can't stand Apple with its old battery slowing down, having asses. Okay, that's what I'm talking about. That's the swiftness I'm talking about. Can you see mine?
No.
Yours is too bright.
It says Pauly V.
Really?
Yeah.
Paulina, what did you say?
I said Alma.
Why Paulina? Well, she said Amelie. I don't know if y'all can see it. Why Paulina? You know, I was thinking Paulina. If it wasn't me,
I
it's
just
definitely
keep thinking
Paulina.
about when we were at that party. I'm not the guy's place. Most likely to get kicked out of the theater for talking during a movie.
Did you say me?
Yeah.
Me and Paulina.
Alma and me.
Wait, why me?
First of all, you would
Because
definitely.
I remember when we saw, what's that Christmas movie?
Almost Christmas.
Yeah, and I was just like,
Just talking.
No,
I said, these bitches won't shut up.
but me and Paulina, if me and Paulina don't talk at like the same amount, Paulina definitely talks more than
No, you're lying. It's definitely her.
me. She talked more than me.
Most likely to get robbed.
What'd you say, me?
I said NK.
I said ATP.
I said Tati.
All of us?
I said we all have an equal chance. What did I underline Tati? Only I wasn't going to, but I was like only because sometimes she's not aware of her surroundings.
I am.
Not all the time.
Most likely to have an affair with their best friend's lover. Answer.
I wish it wasn't an affair. It's like have a I don't know.
It's
A
an
little
affair.
crush?
An affair is a affair.
No, like maybe the best friend's lover had a crush on someone
No,
else.
it's not that.
I hope you didn't say me. Not exactly. Me and Paulina were not.
No, because if you cheat, you're not friends.
Yeah,
That's
like,
not a friend.
My best like.
I
It's
would never-
theoretical.
Okay,
but
why me?
It's theoretical, but I'm.
Why me?
Because it's theoretical. Most likely to have their nudes leaked.
What'd you put?
Paulina.
I put
We
me.
all put different people. I put Tati.
Why'd
I
you
was-
put Paulina?
I was also thinking Alma though, but after I wrote this, I was like Alma too.
Why Paulina?
I don't know. I feel like she would take nudes.
I mean, I wouldn't take news, but I feel like if I were to, like, the boy I might be sending to might be a little bit goofy and dumb and, like, might leave his phone exposed or something, so then...
That's not getting leaked. That's someone being nosy.
Yeah. Then I don't know. That was a hard one. I just put myself.
I just said Tati because I feel like that's something that would happen to her.
I don't take nudes.
Yeah, we don't take news.
Most likely to laugh at an inappropriate time/place.
Who'd you say, me?
Mm-hmm.
I said me and then Tati.
I said Alma and Tati because Tati does it a lot.
Yeah, she does. Like, I was thinking today, like, Paulina in the back.
How was that an inappropriate time?
Not even
Paulina
that.
was loud.
That hurt, and you just laughed.
I remember. Okay, it's justified you put me down. When Paulina kept missing those events.
Kept doing what?
Wait, what? When you kept missing those events for a while.
Oh yeah.
And then you got the times wrong.
That was so funny.
Wait.
We could not go.
What?
That was too early.
Oh my god.
Yo, my stomach is hurting. Yo, Paulina could not make it on. She had to go to women, like, these things for women's studies.
Oh my
And
god.
she kept missing the times to go because she was because she was asleep. And, and the one time we went to Stanford to go to the event, she looked at the time wrong. She thought the end time was the start. She thought the end time was the start time.
Oh my
I
god.
really did. I really did.
Oh my god.
Wait, my eyes are tearing up. Oh my god.
But you know what? I thank God there was another event 2 days before that took place.
She had two of them. And then she missed both of them for the same reason.
Gosh.
My chest.
Most likely to cheat on his or her partner.
Probably me.
Really?
Honestly, yeah. I just feel like it would be really hard for
She
me to
honestly
cut
would.
it off.
She really would.
And then so I feel like I'd just start cheating. I know that's so horrible to
It
say.
is.
That's so horrible to say.
Well, guys, this is the end of the video. This is
Tati.
Oh,
me?
me?
Okay, Edwina Gandhi. Follow me on IG at Edwina.
Oh, Paulina.
Thanks for watching.